Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well. So today we are doing an Indian food review and we are here at Bikanerwala. So let's get going. Today I'm here at Bikanervala Christchurch to taste and review two of their specialty street food. And the best part is, we'll show you how exactly they do the magic at the live counter. So the first one we have is Dahi Puri. So guys, enjoy! Dahi Puri is a popular Indian street food snack and is filled with sweet yogurt and different chutneys, or you can say sauces. It is typically consumed as an evening snack, or you can have it at any time like I do. Our next street food is Raj Kachori, which is considered to be the king of all the chaats. As you can see, it is a round, crispy, deep-fried shell filled with potatoes, chickpeas, yogurts, and all the delicious fillings and goodness. Let's see how they do it. So let's dig in. So first we'll try with the Raj Kachori, and it's a very popular snack, Indian street snack back in India. And let's try. Like you saw earlier, it has got yogurt, it has got tangy sauce, it has got coriander sauce. It's burst in the mouth, like it's a burst of flavor in the mouth. It's really crunchy, it has a lot of fruits, it has chickpeas, it has coriander. Amazing taste. I'll dig in more. The Raj Kachori was absolutely amazing. So next we are going to try the Dahi Safe. Look how colorful it looks. I mean, so vibrant color. Like I said before, burst of flavors. Crunchiness, Super, super, super crunchy, burst of flavors, so many different kind of sauces. It's so amazing. I think I can't stop, and I'm going to finish everything right now. It's just the exact same taste that we get back in India. I mean, there's no difference at all, and everyone should really try this. I mean, this is amazing. I'm going to dig in again. Many of you might know that Indian food or Indian street snack is incomplete without a good masala tea. So I'm going to have today the Indian masala tea here. I can really say that I don't miss Indian masala tea anymore, because you can get it right here at Bikanervala Christchurch. It's amazing actually. As you can see that I got the opportunity to come behind the counter at Bikanerwala Christchurch, and not only their food is amazing and tasty, but they maintain absolute health and safety. If you love and miss authentic Indian street food, then Bikanerwala Christchurch is the right place for you. With plenty of delicious food options, friendly staff, and high quality of services, it's one of the best in Christchurch. Well, that was just my recommendation. Please do visit them today and find it out yourself. Signing out for now, and see you next time.